you're experiencing audio desync issues while playing Roblox, this guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Follow these steps to improve your audio experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. A poor connection can lead to audio delays. You can test your speed using online speed test tools and consider resetting your router if necessary. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. To update, simply restart Roblox and it will automatically download the latest version. Step 3. Adjust audio settings. In Roblox, navigate to the settings menu and adjust the audio settings. Lowering the volume or changing the audio quality may help reduce desync issues. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for you. Step 4. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using up system resources. This can free up processing power for Roblox and help improve audio synchronization. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing audio desync. After reinstalling, check if the problem is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your audio synchronization in Roblox. If issues continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.